Retired mathematician Professor Vernor Vinge, who became famous through his science fiction novels and for being one of the first people to contemplate the idea of a singularity, made some very spooky predictions for 2025 as far as artificial intelligence and technological singularity is concerned. In our video today, we look at the top 5 predictions by 2025 on technological singularity. Let's first look at some general predictions. In accordance with Moore's law, by 2025, we are expected to witness an acceleration in the rate of change as we move closer to a world of abundance. By 2025, the Internet of Everything should exceed 100 billion connected devices, each with 12 or more sensors, collecting data, leading to a data revolution that is beyond our imagination. This revolution will spark an economic impact. Recent reports suggest that the Internet of Everything will generate $19 trillion of newly created value. Also, companies like IBM Watson, DeepMind, and Vicarious continue to hunker down and develop AI systems similar to Siri, but with more expanded capabilities. Scientist and inventor Ray Kurzweil has also made certain predictions, which have had an outstanding 86% success rate according to Futurism. If, as he predicted, we could experience the crucial moment when machines become smarter in our lifetime, then let's look at other mind-blowing predictions that have been made and suggested to appear in 5 years. Number 5. Ubiquitous networking. The first thing we will talk about is ubiquitous networking and zero privacy. By 2025, according to Vernor Vinge in his 2006 novel Rainbow's End, he describes a world where information technology has made so much progress that everyone is connected all the time. This, of course, doesn't sound impossible with all the smartphones and tracking devices we have currently in the system. By 2025, we expect zero privacy as far as the technological singularity is concerned. Maybe one other thing we should look out for is communication without text. That sounds like something that would be a real buzz. We discuss this shortly. Number 4. Self-driving cars and delivery drones. Another prediction Vinge made was of self-driving cars and delivery drones. Yes, we will soon have ground vehicles that are capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little to no human input. As a matter of fact, Elon Musk's Tesla believes it will build self-driving cars before everyone else. When it comes to delivery drones, Amazon is already right on target to give us this technology by 2025. Soon, we will have no need even for delivery services because a drone can deliver your goods right at your doorstep. The shopaholics will definitely have a number of drones visiting every day. Number 3. Communication without words. Now let's talk about the probability that we might never have to verbally communicate again. Per Vernor Vinge, when the technological singularity takes place, people will be able to send messages without talking or openly typing. In the technological singularity world, there is no newspaper, not even the online equivalent, but you can be sure to access information. How? We would have to find out when it does happen. Regardless, the whole point is that our cell phones and social media apps, with all its advancements, may become even more advanced. Now that is an app people will make use of. Perhaps what we look forward to the most is the medical advantages that the singularity could present to us. In a bit, we will tell you about one major prediction that has been made in the health field and why it spells good news for the human race. Number 2. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is another thing we are supposed to look forward to as technological singularity nears. You can appear to be at a meeting by projecting your image at a remote location so that people who are equipped with the right materials can see you and get the impression that you are present. This sort of augmented reality is already taking place with the presence of holograms. However, it promises to get only better. Number 1. A cure for Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease has been around for quite a while, over a century. It is refreshing to know, however, that per predictions made, there should be a cure for the neurodegenerative disease by 2025. While it is impossible to determine whether or not a medical feat of this nature could be achieved by 2025, it is something we look forward to. Alzheimer's has been around for about a century, and we are still not remotely close to finding a cure for this disease. Perhaps the singularity is what we have been waiting for progress to be made. Despite these predictions, some positive, others not so much, there are others who have been skeptical with advancements that have been made on AI. Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, suggests that AI could very well overtake humans in just 5 years, saying, "My assessment about why AI is overlooked by very smart people is that very smart people do not think a computer can ever be as smart as they are, and this is hubris." We've headed toward a situation where AIs are vastly smarter than humans, and I think that time is less than 5 years from now. But that doesn't mean everything goes to hell in 5 years. It just means things get weird. After making this remark, he went on to announce the Neuralink venture, set to create a brain chip that would level the playing field between human beings and AI. These are some things we are likely to see when the singularity takes place. What exactly, though, is technological singularity? And what are some of the ways it can affect the human race? Find out in our video titled, "What is Technological Singularity, and how will it affect you?" We are glad to have come your way. See you next time.